Hey everyone! If you've ever found yourself with a car that's overheating, especially during those hot summer months, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm diving into the 4 most common reasons your car might be overheating when the temperatures rise. Let's get started. First off, it's your cooling system. This system is crucial, especially in summer. If there's a problem with the radiator, like blockages or leaks, it can't do its job of keeping the engine cool. Regular checks are key here, so make sure your radiator is clean and fluid levels are topped up. Next up, the thermostat. This little device controls the flow of coolant to the engine. When it fails, it can get stuck closed, causing the coolant to stop flowing, which, you guessed it, leads to overheating. If you notice your car heating up too quickly, the thermostat might just be the culprit. Moving on to number 3, water pump issues. This part of your car circulates coolant throughout the engine and back to the radiator. If it's damaged or faulty, the necessary circulation stops, and your engine starts to heat up. Watch out for coolant leaks or a whining noise from the front of the engine. These could be telltale signs. Finally, let's talk about coolant. It might sound obvious, but low coolant levels are a common cause of overheating. It can deplete from leaks or simply evaporate over time. Always keep an eye on your coolant level and refill if needed. Also, using the wrong type of coolant can adversely affect your car's temperature. So double-check you're using the right one for your vehicle. So, there you have it. 4 common reasons why your car might be overheating in the summer. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding these issues, so keep up with your checkups. Stay cool out there and drive safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.